Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something compact, sleek, and pretty powerful. The Edifier MP85 Bluetooth speaker. Whether you're looking for a speaker for travel, work, or just something to vibe at home, this might be what you're looking for. First off, let's talk about the design. This little guy has a very clean and modern look. It's compact so it can easily fit your bag or pocket, and of course, even smaller than my phone or a regular phone. And aside from that one, the edges are smooth and it has a sturdy premium feel. It doesn't feel cheap even though it is really affordable. Now let's get into functionality. On the top, we got your basic controls: play, pause, volume up and down. Another option would be you can control it via Edifier Bluetooth application that can be downloaded on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. The app has a basic controls like gives you battery status, adjust the volume, preset mode for type of music, is it for gaming, movie, or just music, and there is also an option to play soothing sound as well on the application. Now, the part that you've been waiting for, the sound quality and testing. Hopefully, you can still listen to it by YouTube because I believe there is some changes if you're going to listen it on the actual device itself in front of you. And of course, playing it on a computer or maybe the speaker on the computer is not that great, but I'll still try to give you a comparison between a phone and the speaker itself. Guys, right now we are on the roof deck, and of course this is an open area and we're going to test the Edifier MP85. I hope you can still see this from that far because we are actually 3 to 4 meters away from the camera and mic to do an actual test. And I also have my mobile phone to have a comparison on the sound volume and quality compared to these two. Okay, for now, let's try to play the music on my phone. Okay guys, just a reminder that the phone and the speaker will have the same amount of volume for the first test. It will be somewhere upper of the middle volume, not maximum volume, okay? First is the mobile phone. Okay, that is for the mobile phone, and let's turn on the speaker. Okay, and let's connect my mobile phone as well. Okay, and we're connected. Of course, the volume is somewhere around 8 or 9 from the application, and let's hit play.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Okay, that is upper mid volume. Let's try to do a maximum volume on my mobile phone and of course at the same time with the MP85. First, let's turn this up. Okay, and we're going to play a high volume or max volume on my mobile phone.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Okay, that is coming from the iPhone. And let's turn on again this MP85. Okay, and we're connected again. And of course, let's play a music. Maximum volume.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
And there you have it for the actual test. Honestly, for such a compact speaker, the sound is impressive. It is somehow clear with a really tiny bass, but it handles high volumes without much distortion, even on a full volume. It's not going to replace a full home sound system or maybe the bigger portable speaker that JBL or maybe Edifier offers. But for personal listening, it is a solid portable speaker. And compared from the iPhone, it is a really better option if you want a higher volume to cover a bigger space compared to the tiny sound from the iPhone. Alright, quick pros and cons. Pros, portable, really tiny, fits in your pocket. And of course, for the sound, it is great for its size. Solid battery life, easy to use controls, and in addition, you have application where you can control the volume as well. And lastly, this is really affordable, around 600 to less than 1,000 pesos here in the Philippines. For the cons, of course, limited base because again, its size. It actually matters, the size for the base. Overall, I'd say the Edifier MP85 is a great little speaker if you're looking for something portable without sacrificing so much for the sound quality. Perfect for travel, gatherings, just enjoying some music while you are at work, or maybe just relaxing or something like that. But I think overall, it's a great speaker. And I think that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. If you have comment and suggestion, comment down below or message me at JK Chavez on FB. Again guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe and bye.